Hi awesome army, it's Lacey here, and right now you are watching episode 3 of Lacey's Cookdown. So right now it is 8:04 AM in England when I'm filming this, and I'm quite hungry and it is really cold today, so I'm going to make a nice warm breakfast food again, and it is porridge. So the ingredients you'll need are porridge oats. These are the Mornflake Mighty Oats, whole grain traditional ones. Then this is optional, as you can use water as well. Some milk. It doesn't have to be this cartoned, it can be the bottled or it can be water, but I like to use milk to make it creamy. So I'm using Arla Long Life Milk Semi-Skimmed, and it's the less than 2% fat one. So yeah, then this is also optional if you're making this for like kids, then you might want to add this, and some parents might want to as well. This is some sugar, because sugar goes really nice with porridge and it just sweetens it up. And yeah, so I'm just going to put my ingredients there. Now, like resources that you'll need to use are a bowl to put the porridge in, a pan to cook it on, cook it in, a jug to measure out the beverage that you're going to use, like the water or the milk. Then lastly, for mixing, a spoon. You can also use a wooden spoon, but I feel like this does the better job. And you also need a gas cooker. So let's get on with it. So first you're going to get your pan. I'm just going to lift it down so you can see what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to get the pan. Okay, now you're going to get your oats, and you're just going to pour in the amount that you want. So bear in mind, however much you put in, that's the amount that it's going to have, but like have a little bit extra because the milk will soak it and will get soaked in, and so we'll make more. So normally it's 40 grams, but I like to put a little bit more in because I'm super hungry. Okay, and that's enough. So there you go. Yeah, I feel like I put about probably 90 grams in this because I get super hungry. So yeah, there we go. Now you're going to measure out your beverage. So I'm just going to put the pan to the side, and I'm going to get my carton milk. Just going to open it. Yeah, none of these ingredients are sponsored. This is just a video that I want to use, and these ingredients I want to use as well. So you're just going to put in 285 millilitres or 300. You can have 300 if you want it to be really milky, or really watery, depending on what you want to use. Spill that a bit. There we go. That is 285. So now I'm just going to clean up the mess that I made because I accidentally put some milk. There we go. I'm going to cover up your lid, your milk with the lid. There we go. So yeah, now I'm just going to put it in front of you. The porridge oats. Just going to put it down. Now you're going to add the milk. So now the next bit is optional, and it is the sugar part. So I'd love to put sugar in mine, so I'm going to do some. So usually I would put some, like a little bit of sugar on the inside and maybe some on top, or I'll put like a digestive on top because that's actually a good combination. Digestive biscuits, the non-chocolate ones, and porridge. It's a really nice combination. So I'm just going to put a poll up here. Do you call it porridge or oatmeal? In 3, 2, 1. There we go. Then I'm just going to sprinkle in around 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm just going to stir it. And now I'm going to put the lid on the sugar. And we're going to go to the hob. So let's go. So here we go. Here's the hob. Just going to move all the ingredients out of the way. Except for the bowl. There we go. I'm just going to go like that. And make sure you have your adult supervision with this, because if you are a young kid, you can get your hair burnt, which comes to the next step. If you have long hair like mine, then tie it up. I'm just going to tie my hair up, because if fire gets on your hair, it will burn it and then your hair will be gone. So it's very important to tie it up. It can be in a ponytail, or it can be in a bun, or anything that will keep your hair out of your face. Okay, I've done that. Yeah, and like I said, it's really cold, so that's why I'm undressing down. So the next thing we're going to do is turn on the hob on a medium heat. Just going to place it on. Right now, as soon as you put it on, it may look just milk after you've stirred it. It may look like there's hardly any oats in it, but that's a good thing. So I'm just going to try and put it at an angle so you can see me and the hob. Yeah, you can see the flames on a medium. So while that's just going to start like cooking, I'm going to put away the milk and the measuring jug. Porridge. Now you're going to stir it. And if you can start to see maybe a white line of milk come up, that means it is working. So yeah, this normally takes about 2 to 5 minutes to cook, depending on the consistency that you like it. I like it quite thick, but you might like it runny, or you might like it medium. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, for this video I'm going to allow comments, because we have sorted it out with YouTube, and so yeah, only put nice comments please, as we are only like kids, and yeah, we don't want any like bad things said about us. So yeah, and put in the comments below other ideas you want us to do, because we're kind of stuck on ideas, and that's probably why I haven't really posted a lot, except from the activity, which will be at the end of this video, here, and there. So I'm just going to stir it again. And when you stir it after after a minute or something, if it goes like when you're trying to stir it means that it's good, but it might also like hurt you, so you might want to be careful. So I've just got my bowl ready here. Just on my bowl. a good tip for porridge is that if you put your spoon on one end and then you drag it down, if you can see the bottom of it, then that means it's good. So right now it's starting to like bubble up, which is a really good thing, as you can see there. But it is good. That doesn't mean that's the amount of porridge that you're going to have. That is just the milk starting to like come up. So if it's like this and if it looks like it's going to overflow, you need to turn it down a bit so the bubbles will go down. Still cooking. So yeah, this is a really good thing, and it is really high in fibre, I believe. So yeah, this is definitely good for English, but in America they call it oatmeal, so that's why I did that poll. Now I'm going to put another poll here about, do you like sugar in your porridge? 3, 2, 1. So guys, since you've seen me use my magical powers, you better subscribe. Now, let's stir it again. Okay, there's lots of bubbles coming up now, which is good, because they're releasing the air, which will make it cook. So guys, I will have to end it now sadly, but I might do a part 2 for this, and yeah, the thing after you've done, remember to use that tip by putting a spoon down the middle, and if you can see the bottom of the pan, that means it's done. Then you need to leave it to cool for about a minute, and then put it in your bowl, and you can add sugar on top. So I'm sorry that I cannot really show you that, it's just because we are still on timeline, unfortunately. I'm trying to get YouTube to stop that, but it's kind of hard for us right now because obviously YouTube is based in America and we can't really reach to America since I live in England. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video, and subscribe there on the pan. So I hope you enjoy this video. Bye! Mwah. Lacey out. Bye, awesome mommy.